The tale of Arlo, the brave squirrel. In a quiet forest nestled between towering mountains, there lived a small squirrel named Arlo. Arlo was not like the other squirrels. While his friends spent their days collecting nuts and scampering through the trees, Arlo loved to explore. He was curious, brave, and always on the lookout for adventure. However, the other animals often laughed at him, calling him foolish for wandering too far. Little did they know, Arlo's courage would one day save them all. One sunny morning, as Arlo was exploring the edge of the forest, he noticed a strange smell in the air. It wasn't the usual earthy scent of the trees, but something sharp and unpleasant. Arlo's keen eyes spotted a trail of smoke rising from the far side of the forest. His heart raced. A fire was beginning to spread, and it was moving quickly toward their home. Without wasting a moment, Arlo dashed back to warn the other animals. "A fire is coming," he cried. But the animals didn't believe him. "Arlo, you're always imagining things," said Bella the rabbit. Even the wise old owl chuckled, saying, "We've lived here for years without trouble. You worry too much, young one." Determined to protect his friends, Arlo decided to act alone. He ran to the river and began collecting water in a large leaf, carrying it back to the fire. It was slow work, and he felt small against the growing flames. Just when he began to feel hopeless, he heard a deep voice. "Need some help, little one?" It was Max, the bear, who had seen Arlo's efforts. Inspired by the squirrel's bravery, Max began helping too. Soon, other animals joined in. The birds flew with water in their beaks, the deer stomped out small flames with their hooves, and even Bella brought her friends to dig trenches to stop the fire's spread. The forest came alive with teamwork, each animal contributing in their unique way. Together, they managed to control the fire before it reached their homes. After the danger had passed, the animals gathered around Arlo. Bella lowered her ears in shame. "We should have listened to you," she said. The wise owl nodded, saying, "Bravery isn't about size but about heart. Arlo has shown us that even the smallest among us can make the biggest difference." From that day on, Arlo was no longer seen as foolish. The animals began to respect his adventurous spirit and curiosity. He taught them to be vigilant and to work together in times of trouble. The forest grew even stronger, not just in its beauty but in the bond between its inhabitants. Arlo's tale became a legend, reminding everyone that courage and determination, no matter how small, could overcome the greatest challenges. And as for Arlo, he continued to explore, his heart brimming with pride, knowing he had made a difference.